How do Muslims call upon God? While making our Sultan and the Saint film, we explored this very question, and one of the most surprising insights actually came from Christian scholars. Let me explain. The meeting between St. Francis of Assisi and Sultan Muhammad al-Kamil that we featured in the film was in part about peacemaking. The Crusades had ravaged the world, and the Sultan had offered a peace treaty to the Christian generals to stop the violence. But it was also a spiritual exchange. Each man presented their religious arguments. Each man talked about God in their own way. And somewhere in the conversation, the Sultan and his scholars used the Asma al-Husna, the beautiful attributes of God found in the Quran. Names like Al-Aziz, Al-Razaq, Al-Rahman, Al-Malik, Al-Ghaffar, and so on. Christian historians believe that Francis was so impressed with this that he wrote his own prayer using many of these names. In fact, if you ask a devout Catholic to recite St. Francis's letter of praises to God, they would say something like the following: "You are the most powerful, the generous provider, the compassionate, the king, the forgiving," and so on. I first heard this story from a nun, and it was verified by many Christian scholars. This remarkable spiritual exchange reminds us of the common belief in one God that Muslims and Christians share, and also reminds us to act like St. Francis and the Sultan, to bring attributes like compassion into our lives.
You are love. You are charity. You are our hope.
Loving, the guide to the right path, the all-forgiving, the merciful, the compassionate.
Thank you for being a part of the UPF family, and inshallah we'll see you soon.